Hello guys, this quick tutorial will guide you on how you can create a website and get it up and running using WordPress with drag and drop development. So with drag and drop facility, you need not to have any prior knowledge of coding or database management. So basically anyone with uh, internet connectivity and creativity can develop his or her own website within 10 minutes. So let us start. First thing, we should get our email id up, and then for any website we need web hosting. So there are a variety of service providers who are providing web hosting services like GoDaddy, ByteHost. So for the learning purpose we will go for the free web hosting, and for this i will I will opt for ByteHost. So you can go for any other if you wish. So for getting your free web host, just go to the Google and search for ByteHost. So first thing is search for ByteHost. So the first will come ByteHost. Just open the ByteHost link. You'll land on the homepage of the ByteHost. So here we need to register. We need to sign up for our free hosting. Just click on the sign up button. It will take us to the registration page. So on this registration page, it will ask for the subdomain, our subdomain name. So this is the name which we wish to give to our website. So here you can choose the name you wish. For learning purpose, I will give the name just build. Just build your web, and the password which you wish to choose for your web hosting account. So this password will be required later, and enter your valid email ID where these details will be mailed to you. Then the category of your site, whether you want your site to be personal, business, hobby, forum, adult, dating, or software download. For timing, put it here personal. Site language, leave it as it is, as English, and captcha verification. And then after, go for the register. So you will get this page where an activation email would have been sent to your email ID. So just go and check your email ID. If you don't get this email here in your primary mail, go and check your spam folder. Refresh it. As you can see here, you got your account registration details. Click on the link, activation link in your mail. It will get you to a new page. Search for ByteHost and register. So as you can see here, this page will provide you with your account details, your control panel username and control panel path. Control panel is nothing but your cPanel. If you don't know C, what is cPanel? Then cPanel is where you maintain all your website databases. You create your database, your SQL details, and your FTP username and password, which you can use to transfer your website from your local server to your live server. So these all details would have been mailed to your email ID also. So just go and check your mail once more. So here you have received your confirmation mail with the same all details, your username, your cPanel password, FTP server and login details, password, and your SQL username and your cPanel web link. Just go and click your cPanel link. So it will ask you for your login details. So these login details have already been mailed to your email ID. Just copy and paste your cPanel username, it here, and your cPanel password. Login. So you'll see a variety of things once your cPanel opens up. So don't worry about these things if you are not familiar with all these things. So just go and click on try the new script installer, Softaculous. So Softaculous is a script installer. Basically, we will use this to install new plugins for our cPanel. Here you can see variety of plugins. Leaving behind all other plugins, we will go for WordPress because this is one of the most widely used website development platform. So we'll just go for the WordPress and install it. So once we will enter install, we'll land up on this page, WordPress installation page. So here it will ask us to choose for the protocol. So here we can go for HTTP or HTTPS protocol if you want it to be more secured. Our domain name, so just build your web the name we had given earlier, and bytehost 7 will be appended to it because this is a free web hosting, so this will be appended. If you will go for the paid version, this bytehost will be removed and we can get any name we wish to get. So this is the name of our, this will be the name of our website. Just build your web.bytehost7.com. Now here is WP, so we will remove this WP from here because if we will not remove WP, this WP will be appended to our website name. So we can remove this WP, leave other things as it is, or if we wish we can change the name of our site. We can change the site description. For time being we leave as it is, and this is the admin username and password. So this username and password is for our WordPress admin panel. We can change if we wish to change username and password. Timing will leave as it is. Just note it down somewhere, admin and pass as our username and password. Language for the site, leave it as English. Leave other things. Enter your valid email ID here where our WordPress installation details will be mailed, and click on the install. You can see your installation is in progress. It will just take few seconds to few minutes to install it. Now you can see our WordPress installation has been done successfully, and we have two links here. WordPress has been successfully installed at our web address. Just build your web.bytehost7.com, and our administrative URL is WP admin. So we'll click on our administrative URL. till this time our WordPress, our website is up and running now. If you will check on our if we will check our web address here, just build your web bytehost7.com. If we will click it here, it will show us the sample WordPress page. So this is the sample WordPress page which we will get after WordPress installation. So this is, for timing, this is our website. So till now our website is up and running on the live server. Now we'll go to our admin panel, and the page which you are getting here, this is our sample page we are getting. We don't want this page, we can leave it as it is or we can remove it. Now the next thing is to have drag and drop facility so that we can develop our website with drag and drop feature. So for that we have a very good plugin, that is Simply Symphony plugin. So we'll go for plugins and install that plugin to our WordPress admin panel. So plugin, add new. We'll search for our plugin. You can see here page builder Simply Symphony. Just go and install this plugin. So as you can see, it has been installed. It will ask us to activate it. So we'll activate, first thing we'll activate our Simply Symphony. So after activation, we can see a new tab appearing on our upper left corner of WordPress admin panel, Simply Symphony. So from here we'll start creating our new Simply Symphony pages. You can see create new page, new Simply Symphony post, new Simply Symphony page, and themeless splash page. So out of these three we can go for the themeless splash page because here we can get the option of changing our page background completely. We can insert any background video or background image. It will take a little bit, but now it has been loaded. As you can see here, either we can insert a YouTube link for a video here, or we can insert an image link which will be set as a background. For timing, we'll insert an image to keep the things simple. So we can insert any image we wish. So we will just insert any image here. So something happened. We'll go for another image. Okay. So this image has been uploaded to our library. Now this image resolution is 647 404. So make this attachment size to the full size so that we can get the full resolution. Select it and build our page. As you can see, this whole page background would have been changed to our image. So till now you could have seen that how you can add your creativity here. Now this on this page you have many options like blank white text area, blank text area, CSS setting, blank black text area, blank transparent text area, and if you want to insert any image or video file, then you can go for this option, blank video image. So just for the learning purpose we will go for the blank transparent text area. You can see anything will type and this will be transparent. You can move this anywhere you wish to move and just type something. This is my first site and save and remove. So now our page has been saved. Here we need to enter the details for our page. So the title of our page we need to enter. Just enter anything you wish. My first page and publish it. Okay. So now we have created our page and we have published it. So let us check on our live website what has happened. Just build your web Python. Okay. So as you can see, we have published our page, but still we are getting the old page. The reason for this is this page, the page which we developed, this web page, we need to do a little bit more setting to this web page. So for that, our newly created Simply Symphony page, we'll go to our page and we'll load this. We'll go to our pages, all pages. Here we can find our page, my first page. Go to view. Here you can see our page. Now here we need to go to our customize our page. Lot of things will be here, but leaving all these things, we'll go for static front page. Front page displays. Select a static page and set your front page as your newly created page, my first page. So this page has been set to your front page. Now save and publish. It has been saved. Now let us see what has happened. So just refresh your web. So now as you can see, your changes are getting reflected to your web page. So this is how we can get our web up and running, and we don't have to code a single line to develop our website. And also we can do whatever we want on this website. We can insert any um, widget, we can insert any widget directly, we can insert any map here on our website. So just if we will explore it more, we'll get to know more this Simply Symphony tool. So just go for the edit page option and load Simply Symphony page. leave everything as it is. If you wish to change your background image, we can change it here anytime we wish. Go for build page. Now here, if you want to insert any simple text or HTML object, we can go for this option. If you want to insert any media, image, video, we can go for this option. If you want to insert any visit to our website or any HTML, any map, Google map to our website, any weather visit, time visit, you can go for this option, and we can directly copy the HTML code, copy and paste it on this page, and our visit will start working. Now again, as you can see here, we have two options. One is desktop view and one is mobile view. So both are independent of each other. Changes made in one will not be reflected on the other. So it is a good practice always to check for the mobile view once we develop our desktop view. So if you will go for our mobile view, so this is how our web page will be looking on our mobile. So here we can customize our web page according to the mobile. Move it anywhere we wish to move. So this is how we can develop our website in 10 minutes, even if we don't have any knowledge of coding on any database management or anything. And also we can make this website very much good looking and interactive. We have all the options we want to have for a website, an appealing website development. If you will explore more this Simply Symphony tool, you will get to know it much better. So here we can insert any image, we can create a glyph icons, create a table, special character, and YouTube video. Also we can create a simple button on our website and give the link to that button. You can create a link which will open a different page or a fully new web page. So till this, now we can save it. So our website is now up and running. Just checking it once more. So log out from the admin panel, close all other tabs, close all other tabs. Now enter the address of your website. Just buildyourweb.bytehost7.com. So this is how our website is looking right now. You can check this website right now anywhere if you wish. So this will be up and running for 1 year because this is free web hosting version. I hope this video would have helped you. So thank you guys for watching this. Please provide your valuable feedback and please subscribe to my channel if you wish to get more videos. Thank you very much.